Oh man, I forgot about my shelf. I forgot about a few things yesterday. Good morning, guys, by the way. Good morning. It's Lonnie, and it's, what's today? Thursday. And just pulling up at storage, putting my stuff up that I listed yesterday, and then we're going to pull the stuff that needs to go out and get some more stuff to list. And I need to set this media shelf thing up. All right, there's the games. It doesn't look like that many games now, does it? That's all of them too. So the only thing it isn't is the hardware and stuff. So let me pull orders now, y'all. I've got 7 things going out, which on most days wouldn't be horrible, but on this particular day they all happen to be mostly real cheap stuff. So I've got this blue Wiimote going out. This is like 15 bucks, not too bad. Got this little Pac-Man game going out. I've got this Berlin Wall chunks going out. Okay, I actually sold this jacket that I listed yesterday. A $30 jacket there. And then I also need to pull C54, which is in here. There's 55. Looks like 54 is right behind it. Okay, there we go. Be an easy one today. Okay, then I got Super Mario World. I didn't even realize I had 2 copies of that game. I'm selling the one with the little manual. And then I have a t-shirt going out. Cheap t-shirt that I've had in here for a long time. Let's see, Roswell. There we go. That shipping right there should take no more than like 20 minutes. Heavy tops. It's really easy. All right, here was yesterday's listings. See, I guess I need to add them up. Let me add everything up. All right, so yesterday we listed 8. We listed 11 items for $453. And I also did a lot of prep work on some CDs, a lot of CDs that I'm going to be listing today. That's going to make those go a lot faster. So there's actually probably about another hour of work that I did yesterday on some other stuff that's not showing up here, but it'll show up today. So anyway, 11 items for $453. And there we go. Pretty good stuff listed there. Ugh, this eraser sucks. Or those dry erase markers suck, one of the two. Okay, so there's a laundry list about a mile long of reasons that selling clothing sucks. But there's one really good thing, and that is the packing. I mean, you can't get any easier than that. And I'll take these 2 clothespins, put them in a box. Next time I list some clothing items and I pre-pack them, these will get attached. Here's another one, a t-shirt. Alright, next up, this silly little Berlin Wall rock chunk thing. It's got like I need a new tape dispenser. This thing is that thing's like over 3 years old, I believe. But yeah, this is silly little thing I picked up for $1 at a yard sale this past weekend. And I listed it for 10. It's fine. You know, I'll net like $6 or whatever. And I'm happy with that. 7 ounces. Alright, didn't make much money yesterday, but at least the shipping is really easy on this stuff. Get one more of these boxes ready. And these boxes are pretty lightweight. I think I paid 30 something for 100 of them. 8x4x4. They're good for some stuff, and they're really light. Like, they weigh 1.8 ounces. So this one I'm going to mail this controller in. Yesterday I bagged some stuff. There we go. Yesterday I bagged some stuff, and some people were like, man, why are you bagging that stuff? And you know what? Honestly, it's not necessary. 5 ounces. It's not necessary to bag this stuff, but I think the reason I do it sometimes, it's customer perception that it's packed well, and it doesn't matter. Like, it really doesn't matter. Like, I didn't bag this. Who cares? It's in a box, it's in bubble wrap, it's fine. I don't mind spending 6 cents extra on a package sometimes, but absolutely unnecessary. Doesn't matter. Either way. Done. Okay, we got a Super Mario World. I'll bubble it just for the heck of it. Poly bag. That manual was already kind of folded up, so I left it just like that. 6 ounces. All right, some nice easy packs today. Loving it. Not loving the sales number, but I'm loving the easy packing job. Drop it in here. Real cheap game. It's like $5. 2 ounces. Okey-doke, that's a done deal. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packages are done. Ready for post office. I didn't make a whole lot of money yesterday, but at least the packing was easy. I mean, I don't think I even spent 10 minutes on the packing, and I could tell it was fast because I have like an auto shut off on the scale. And that sucker never shut off. So, boom, done. Okay, so packages are away. I'm gonna go hop into Goodwill real quick, see if I spot any goodies. And yeah, I mean, did y'all notice how fast that packing was? It was 7 items. It wasn't a good sales day. I think the highest sale out of that stuff that I packed was like $30 plus shipping. Very out of the ordinary day. But I think it was instructive in one area. If you're gonna choose to sell lower price stuff, which I do, sometimes I do sell lower price stuff. But if you do choose to do that, then you better make sure, of a couple of things. Number one, or actually when I say you, I mean me. But whenever I do buy stuff that's not going to make a whole lot of money, but I think it's profitable enough for me to mess with it, I make sure it's small so it's easy to store, and I also make sure that it's easy to pack and ship. So I think all that cheap stuff I shipped today definitely met that criteria. I didn't have any time into listing or packing, or it didn't take hardly any storage space. So kind of crappy sales, but it did have that going for it. Let me go see if I can find something here. Okay, so I picked this typewriter up either last weekend or the weekend before. I'm not sure which. This is a Royal Custom 2 typewriter. Oh, that is supposed to fold down, I hope. Yeah. Seems to function fine. Probably needs a little cleanup, which I'm not going to do, which I didn't do on the other one. So this should, oh, it just pops off. This one is not as nice as the ones I've seen before. It's definitely going to need a ribbon. But other than that, I mean, I don't know, all the keys work. So anyway, I paid $5 for this, and I think I should get 60 to 70 for it. It's a pretty good color. I'm just going to wipe it down real quick and get it listed. Okay, so I'm listing that typewriter now. Royal Custom 2 typewriter, manual, portable red with hard case, MCM. I put the MCM in there. I used a sold listing. And like, here's the main listing photo here. And it cleaned up pretty well, I think. So anyway, there's the listing. Description's pretty short and sweet. And the price, $90 or best offer. I'll probably end up taking like $70. You know, that's probably the realistic price. FedEx shipping, FedEx ground, something like this. I'll always just do FedEx. And then I measured the dimensions of the typewriter in the case, and guesstimated 1910 would be a good box size. And the typewriter itself weighs a little over 16 pounds, so I just put in 20 for the weight. And that is it. It's ready to list. Okay, so I want you to type in the comments right now, what is this? What do you think this thing is right here, this object? I know what it is, but I'm not going to tell you. Let's see how many people can get it right. Okay, now I'm working on a lot of CDs. This is like 30 CDs from the 90s. These are pretty good titles. So I might go for like, this 30 of them here, I might go for like $40. That might be shooting high, but I think I might get it. We'll see.
$80 shipped or something crap like that? Well, that DVD, that combo player you got there? Shipment. And it'll be okay. Well, even the pen, if he was up here. Oh yeah, the one by you that has a lot of this. Well, I'm glad that I can start heading you to the weekend.
So this is pretty funny. I was about to list this gun case here, and I feel something in the pocket, and it's a partial box of ammo. We've only got, well, 8 rounds. These hollow point, what are these, 270s, 270 Winchester hollow points. Thought that was pretty funny. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do with them. I don't have that gun. Alright y'all, so it's a lot later, and I've got this camera charged. This camera is so clean, like I don't even see any scuffs or anything. I don't think these people use this camera at all. Like, not a mark on it. Looks like it's new almost. But yeah, I charged it. As you can see, it works fine. No worries, no issues. So yeah, there we go. Focus is good. Just got to try that other lens out now, and you know what, it's kind of late. I need to edit this vlog because I let that battery charge for a while, ate dinner, all that kind of stuff, and it's too late to do anything else tonight. So I'm just gonna put that off for tomorrow. So let's look at the numbers. It kind of sucks. I was kind of wanting to pad today's numbers, but you know what? I'll leave that as an easy lister for tomorrow. It's always tomorrow. That was going to be the cherry on top for today. So let me add this up. Okay, so 8, 9 will go down in the books. 14 listings for $449. Man, this has been real steady. The last 3 days has been, look, 455, 453, 449. They're all within $6 of each other. That's crazy. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna go hit some yard sales in the morning, and I'll take y'all with me, show you what I get. I hope y'all have a really good weekend, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye bye.